This is another pandemic traveller video. Today I'm in Sydney in a suburb called Point Piper, and I'm going to show you Duff Reserve, which is a really lovely spot that you can check out some of Sydney Harbour, and it's just a really beautiful place to go on a sunny day. Maybe sit down, have some lunch. Yeah, it's just in general a really nice place. So here we go. Does it work, right? So as you can see, there's a really good view of Sydney Harbour. The Harbour Bridge, some of the city. Some lucky people live right here and have awesome views every day when they wake up and look out the window. So there's a little table here, a chair, little spot you can put a picnic blanket or something. To be honest with everyone, this wasn't exactly the place that I thought I was going to. I was actually looking for a place, I'm not sure of the name, I thought it was called Duff Reserve. In a future video, hopefully I'll be able to show you the place I was actually thinking of, which is basically a really big old estate home that's on the side of Sydney Harbour. And if my knowledge about the place is correct, it's a really old estate home that this older lady owns, and she ended up giving the garden to the council to look after because it was just way too much and quite expensive for her to look after, and she wanted to be able to share it with anyone that wanted to visit. So hopefully I'll end up working out where it is. To my knowledge, it was just past King's Cross, so I was thinking that I've driven a little bit too far, but yeah, I thought it was called Duff Reserve. I was wrong. If anyone knows the place that I'm talking about, old estate home that has the garden been given to the council, has free admission, so the public can just enjoy it, let me know in the comments. Also, if there's anywhere that you would like me to visit and do a video on, let me know in the comments. Alright, well, I'm going to head back up because there's not really much else to see here. So, let's move on. Have another look at the view maybe. Oh, not too great from here. Nice little spot here to be able to look at the view. We'll take a little seat, let you have a look. Pity that the trees kind of block things a little. I think I worked out a little bit too much this morning. The stairs took it out of me. Alright, once again, this is Pandemic Traveller. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's anywhere you would like me to visit, leave a comment.